Hey everyone! In this video, I'll be sharing a week of my self-care journey with you. So come and join me. After getting out of bed, the first thing I do is comb my hair as it tends to get tangled while I sleep. Next, I move on to brushing my teeth. This helps me feel refreshed and ready to start the day on a clean note. After brushing, I proceed with my skincare routine. I begin by washing my face with a gentle cleanser gel to remove any impurities accumulated overnight. Once my skin is cleansed, I apply the mild toner. Toners can help gently cleanse, nourish, and refresh my skin without stripping away its essential moisture. The final step in my skincare routine is applying sunscreen. It protects my skin from the sun's harmful rays. As an essential part of my morning routine, I always prepare a fresh cup of coffee. The aroma fills the kitchen, signaling the start of a new day. I take my time to make it just right, adjusting the flavor to my taste preferences and savoring the rich scent as it fills the air. Once poured into my favorite mug, I enjoy my breakfast, relishing each sip of coffee as it complements the flavors of the meal, providing me with the energy and comfort to kickstart my day. In addition, I incorporate beach jogging into my routine 2 to 3 times a week. It's a dual-purpose activity. I sweat it out, improve my cardio, and simultaneously unwind to the rhythmic sound of the waves crashing against the shore. During the rest of the week, I make sure to spend quality time with my friends. We gather to enjoy meals together, catching up on each other's lives and reminiscing about old times. Recently, I had a chance to reconnect with my best friends from elementary school. We spent an entire evening swimming and chatting until late into the night. Their company has a remarkable ability to dissolve all my worries and stress, leaving me feeling lighter and more at peace.